welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we will start the read for our Sagittarians, and it's gonna be the current energy of the Sagittarians. Let's see what comes up for our Sagittarians. What's happening in your life? Why are your energies shaking so much that I have to take out a read? Again, you can call it mid-month, but it would still be your current energies. Okay. Yeah. Instability is definitely there. Also, if this read resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's check your recent past, Sagittarians. What's going on with your energies? Why are they shaking so much? Recent past of our Sagittarians. See. Okay. Okay. Working hard in the recent past. New beginnings for you, but new beginnings only come after there's an end to a certain situation. So some situation might have ended for you, or you ended a certain situation. You just stopped bothering about a certain situation in your life. Could be in terms of love. I don't see it in terms of your finances, but yeah, in terms of finances, career, job, business, you're working pretty hard. But in terms of love, you're being offered something, or you were just offered something which you were not really wanting to take, which was not very pleasing. Some kind of fluctuations in your mind that are going on in terms of this particular person who's trying to enter your life. You're just sitting there looking at what's coming your way, not really wanting to grab the opportunity. So let's see what comes up in the current situation for you. Current situation for our Sagittarians. Current situation doesn't seem to be that much unstable. There's this stability. Yeah, see, there's peace of mind. There's in the current situation there are improvements in terms of your love life, improvements in terms of your stability, improvement in terms of a relationship with a certain person. In terms of your career, you were working really hard in the recent past, but right now you're just looking at the situation and you're like, I'm working, but am I getting anything in return or not? You're just looking at the situation from a far off distance, and you're like, what else I can do? How else I can just get more finances my way? So there's some kind of hard work, I would say, that still needs to be done, so you can actually accomplish what you have in your mind right now. You were working hard, but right now, like, you have done all what was in your mind. Now there's something else that you need to do. That I think you have to figure out. That you do need to figure out. There's a new beginning in terms of career also, I would say. There's certain new beginning in the current situation that I see. Maybe a new opportunity coming towards you, but there's some kind of a new beginning as well. Okay, and then we have this. Maybe you will be grabbing some other career opportunity, other job opportunity. You'll be grabbing some kind of an opportunity. You have an eye on something right now. In terms of your career, your job aspect, you have an eye on something right now. and you're just waiting to get it in your hands. You're just waiting, you're looking at it right now, trying to manifest it. I mean, not actually the manifestation, the thing, it's not like you're meditating or you're manifesting it actually, but just looking at it and having the intention that, you know, if that works, it's gonna be good. So you're just looking at that thing from far of a distance. Let's see what is in store for you in the near future, especially in terms of March. Okay. In terms of near future for our Sagittarians. Near future for the Sagittarians. Gaining that inner strength. You are trying to gain the inner strength in terms of work, in terms of relationship, both. You are trying to gain this inner strength. And also improvements are coming in your relationship, improvements are coming in your love life. It's just that you are not able to see that improvement right now because I think the other person, whosoever you're involved with right now, is more into their career aspect rather than the relationship thing. So you have a certain thing in mind that maybe this person's not interested, they are just interested in their own pentacles, because I do have the Queen of Pentacles here. So she is the queen, she or he, just take how it resonates. But this person, of course, is definitely very professional and very business minded, I would say. But there are improvements coming your way and you cannot see these improvements. You have worked hard on this relationship. I would say you have worked hard on doing the inner work. You have tried to balance your whole life. It's like you have completely turned around your whole life for this person, and right now you're actually feeling like, what else I can do? What else I can do to actually grab the attention of that particular person? You're not even putting an effort. You are just staying there and looking at the situation from far off a distance, and you're thinking, what can I do more to get this person to pay attention to what I'm trying to tell them? Because see, this is you here just looking at, I would just show you the card. This is you here looking at these pentacles, looking at this whole situation here, right? And this is exactly the person, and this person is looking towards their own pentacles. Like, she is looking towards her own pentacles, and you're just looking at this situation and thinking, how can I grab her attention? But what I see in the near future is that you are gaining strength. You're actually gaining strength and you are asking the universe for help. You really need this person's attention. You really need this person to offer you something. You really need some kind of I would say, you want this person to put some kind of an effort. And right now you're just praying to the universe with the Lovers here. And if I talk about this other person's energies, this other person is very stable. They have everything they can give you, but they are very stable that you cannot even see that this person is actually wanting you in their life. So this person has actually come into the zone, I would say, the zone of stability. This person is that much stable, and the anxiety, the instability is just on your end right now. And you're of course just looking at the situation, praying to the universe, but you will be gaining the strength. In the near future, what you're working on is gaining the strength. You're gaining the strength by doing inner work, and you are pretty happy doing this inner work. I do feel it's more of we would say a twin soul or a twin flame journey, but you are working on yourself. There are still some kind of confrontations that you need to actually make. You need to accept certain things in your life still. Then only you can move forward, because the inner work journey hasn't yet ended for you. Let's see the energy of the overall read. So at least in the month of March, I do see you will be gaining the strength. You're trying to gain the strength. You will just be working on yourself. That's what I feel here. And in terms of your career, your job, there's something that needs your attention. There's some kind of indecisiveness, some decisions that still need to be made on your end. So the overall energy of the read is also the 9 of Wands, which means you have created the barriers yourself. You need to break all those barriers and actually look towards the brighter side. And till the time you don't put an effort, it's not gonna come back to you. You were working hard on it, but now it's time to step forward, to take another step. So basically, when we are leveling up, it's a little hard, but you are gaining the strength. It's time to do the inner work, Saggies. So if this read resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next read. Till then, take care. Bye bye.